What I wish I knew before I called a repairman: most fridge water dispenser noises are easy to fix at home. Before you panic, let's check a few simple things. First, don't worry. Most noises from your GE fridge's water dispenser are normal. You might hear humming, clicking, or even a vibrating sound when you press the lever. That's often just the water valve opening or the filter working. But if the noise is loud, new, or just plain annoying, here's what to check. Make sure your fridge is level. If it's tilted, water lines can vibrate or rattle against the back panel. Next, check your water filter. If it's clogged or not installed correctly, it can make the system strain and get noisy. Sometimes trapped air in the water line makes a gurgling or sputtering sound. Run the dispenser for a few minutes to flush the air out. Still noisy? The water pressure in your house might be too high or too low. Adjust the shutoff valve if needed, or call a plumber if you're unsure. If none of these tips help, it could be a faulty valve or pump, and that's when it's time to call a pro. Stay calm, stay safe, and enjoy your fridge quietly.